So today we want to look at low light photo editing using Photoshop, and this is a photo that we took using our Nikon D750 plus a Yongnuo speed light. However, the location was really light and it was a bit dark, so we made use of a video light so that our camera could easily focus. You can click on auto and allow Photoshop to make a few adjustments for you. Now from there we can begin with our white balance. We remove the tint and take this down a little bit. We can leave it at 5400 Kelvin. Now the exposure is a bit high. We shall take it to about 0.3, which is fine, and also increase our vibrance. Let's boost our colors a little bit and take the saturation to 0. Now we shall turn down these highlights a little, especially since there is spots in the face. Which is now fine. So we are going to also sharpen our photo, take it to about 70%. Let's make it, alright, we'll leave it at 70. Now, since we took this photo at night and our ISO was 250, most times these photos will have noise. So if you zoom in a little bit, you can see that noise. Now, when you're editing a raw file, Photoshop can allow you to reduce that noise greatly. And based on what we have seen already, there's a big improvement. The noise has been reduced greatly. Without affecting much of our details, we can increase our details and still bring back our details, and with that we are good. Now you can click on open image. Now we are going to straighten this photo a little bit. You can press C on your keyboard to get the crop tool and reduce this space just to balance it. I think that is fine. So we can begin with these other parts. That's good, that's good. So that's the content aware feature in Photoshop. Now what we are going to do next is the eye and teeth whitening. Now you can simply click here on black and white, press Command I or Control I on your keyboard and get your brush tool and move it over the areas of the teeth and the eyes. So we also made a video on how to do eye and teeth whitening. Please check the link in the video. We have 3 methods which you can learn from, quite easy methods, and the video is also short, so you can easily learn that in a few minutes. So our next step will be skin retouching, and we shall use frequency separation. So duplicate your image twice and go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. We'll take this to 3. Then image, apply image, change this to layer 1, the blending mode to subtract, and click OK. Should give you this square image, which is fine. Now I'm here click linear light. Now select your layer 1 again and go to your lasso tool and select areas of the skin that we want to retouch. You take that to 6, or you can even take it to 8, or let's do 7, which is fine. So we are done with our skin retouching, and you can press Shift, Command and E to merge your layers. Now what we are left here is we can add a LUT to this image to make it look better. Now simply click on color lookup. I already have some LUTs with me, so let me just show you how you can add a LUT to your image. I love to use this Buddha. So normally I add about 25%, which is okay, and with that you can see a big change in this image.